picked up this 6-gallon Hart stainless steel wet dry shop vac or wet dry vac for Walmart. You know, Hart brand at local Walmart. So let's take it out the box and see what's up with it. Got your manual, hose, hose extension, another hose extension, cardboard insert, and the vacuum. And looks like I knocked off something. Stick that insert back in there, and maybe that's the accessory holder or something. Nice little compact little doohickey. Quick liquid spill cleanup. There we go. 2 extension wires, utility nozzle, crevice tool, cartridge filter, foam, wet filter, and the owner's manual. Says it has a 8-foot power cord, built-in hose and accessory storage. Okay. Lock and accessories. So, I guess that's a pretty good deal. I only paid maybe $50–$60 for it. Wonder where this little caddy go. Hole at the top of it, so go somewhere. Yeah, the rest of the accessories. Wheels. It's probably that little piece for the accessory hook. More attachments. Filter. Chain. Uh-oh. Well, it's lightweight. Washer and hook. Guess I should have read the manual. Let's look at the manual. Okay, goes on the rear caster.
He's still here. Okay. In the trailer. In the trailer. Alright.
Right. That.
Pretty good.
I got all together. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up this room and so I can finish priming it and then let that dry and then paint the walls on the next one. Let's get the vacuum. Then vacuum it up.